Hello?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Tarun. What's your name?
My name is Lisa. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Lisa. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm from India. Where do you live?
I live in Toronto. And you?
I live in Delhi. How old are you?
I am 22 years old. What about you?
I am 25 years old. What do you do?
I am a teacher. What about you?
I am a doctor. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother. What about you?
I have an elder sister. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places. Do you?
Yes, I enjoy traveling too. What is your favorite food?
I love pizza. What about you?
I really like chola bhatura. Do you have any pet?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you have a pet?
No, but I want to get a cat. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and painting. What about you?
I like playing video games and watching movies. What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy pop music. What about you?
I like rock music. Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak English and Spanish. What about you?
I can speak English and a little bit of French. What is your favorite season?
I love winter. What about you?
I prefer summer. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing basketball. Do you play any sports?
Yes. I play football. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Avatar. What about you?
I really like The Lion King. Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking Italian food. Do you have any hobbies?
I love playing the guitar and cycling. Do you like video games?
Yes, I do. What is your dream job?
I want to be a scientist. What about you?
I want to be an artist. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What about you?
Red. Do you like reading newspapers?
Sometimes I read the news online. Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have visited Japan and Italy. Have you traveled abroad?
Yes. I have been to the United States and Germany. What do you do on weekends?
I like to relax at home or go out with friends. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes. Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a morning person. What about you?
I am a night owl. What is your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas. Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like running in the park. Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing. Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I like watching comedies. What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango. What's yours?
I love apples. What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee. Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love the beach. Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Yes, I like cooking for my family. Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I love learning new things. Do you like art?
Yes, I enjoy visiting art museums. Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano. Do you like to watch movies at home or in the cinema?
I enjoy going to the cinema. Do you like gardening?
Yes, I grow flowers in my garden. What is your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny weather. What about you?
I enjoy rainy days. Do you like concerts?
Yes, I love concerts. Do you prefer working in a team or alone?
I prefer working in a team. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy dishes. What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream. What about you?
I love chocolate cake. Do you like to swim?
Yes, I love swimming in the sea. Do you read before bed?
Yes, it helps me to relax. Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I love trying new dishes. Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I like cold drinks. Do you enjoy going to the theater?
Yes, I enjoy theater performances. Do you like surprises?
Yes, I think surprises are fun. Do you wake up early or sleep in?
I like to wake up early. How about you?
I prefer to sleep in. Do you like traveling by plane?
Yes, I enjoy flying. Do you like writing?
Yes, I enjoy writing stories. Do you like casual or formal clothes?
I prefer casual clothes. What about you?
I like formal clothes. Do you like fast food?
Sometimes I do. Do you like camping?
Yes, I enjoy camping in the summer. What is your favorite day of the week?
I like Friday the most. Do you like to ride bicycles?
Yes, I ride my bike every weekend. Do you like poetry?
Yes, I enjoy reading poems. Do you like taking pictures?
Yes, I love photography.
It was really nice talking to you, Lisa.
Yes, it was great chatting with you too, Tyrone.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.